Hey guys, how are you? It's Manuel Mendez here, but you can call me Manu. I'm on set with my friends at Kidpik, and I'm gonna be styling 4 boxes for you guys using their 2019 holiday collection. I'm so excited, and also, guess what? I'm gonna show you guys how to get the celebrity kid style look using their unique style boxes without breaking the bang! Those of you who aren't familiar with Kidpik, it's an online subscription box that you go online with mom and dad and you do a quiz at kidpik.com and pick your own prints and pick your own pattern, and a stylist from Kidpik styles the box and it gets delivered at your doorstep free of charge. Hey guys, I'm here with my best friend Victoria, and we're on set on Kidpik, right? And I styled this look, and I have this amazing teddy bear bomber jackets, which I love bomber jackets. And I paired up with a matching set, crushed velvet, because we're mixing textures, we're mixing prints, we're not afraid of mixing patterns. With the leggings with the stars, we all love stars. And I close it off with some sneakers, glitter sneakers, the ones that look like socks. And I paired it up with this faux fur fanny pack to go with the bomber jacket, which is also faux fur, and she's ready for the holidays, right?
Yeah!
Do you love this?
Yeah.
It's my favorite, so let's go. So this is my second look. It's denim. You can't go wrong with denim. It's real casual, easy with the ripped jeans. We have the gold sneakers. We paired it out with a leopard print t-shirt over a leopard print denim jacket that has faux fur. And we did a little touch of color, just to it's an accent to make it pop. And then the pop of the ear muff, here we go with the faux fur again, keeps you guys warm. So this is look number 2. And this is the activewear. Remember to be fearless. We have a biker shorts with glitter shoes, and we layered the socks purple and black. We paired it up with a leather bomber jacket, which I love bomber jacket again, with the faux fur sleeves. How cool is that? Paired it up with a little backpack for you to put your little water bottle. Has little details of pearls on it, and you're ready to hit the gym. And this is look number 4. I started off from the bottom up, did the cowboy boots, the black socks, paired it up with a little plaid shorts with some glitter on it, and a blouse around the waist to give it a little texture, a little funk it up a little bit, and a gray sweater with colorful pearls on it. And then again, the bomber jacket over to close the whole entire look for this holiday season. How do you feel? Amazing! Guys, it's a wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to get these boxes, these style boxes by Kidpik and myself. Go to www.kidpik.com and have a happy holidays. It's a wrap. And don't forget to record yourself opening these boxes. Okay, I'm done. It's time to go.